Hi, folks. We're going to talk about the Millionaire bot. And yeah, later on the video, I'll give you some alternatives or another option to binary options trading. So let's get into the meat and potatoes here. All right. Now, the Millionaire bot is going to be launched on April 6th. And it's a type of software, binary options robot type software. And what that means is you invest money into a brokerage account, and then the software you get for free. And what you do is you click a little button on there, and it automatically trades for you on the market. And your best bet is that you're going to win most of the trades at this software, and you hope that you give all the faith into this software that it's going to do that for you. Now, let's go on over to scamadvisor.com. Now, this site here, you can check out these new launches of these new types of softwares for binary options trading, and it gives you a little idea on the risks that are involved being with them, or a little information about them. Now, I entered their name into the checklist here, and it comes up that the site is located in the United States, and but the real location is being hidden. So that gives me a bit of a flag when I see something like that. Now you scroll down into the site here, and it has a high risk and a safe margin, and it's rated in the middle. Now the site hasn't been launched yet. It's being launched, like I said, in April 6th. So this value, really isn't accurate. It could be, you need a little more information, and then once the site's launched, then I'm sure that might change there. Now, if you scroll down in there, it also has right down here written, the website has been newly registered with the short life expectancy, which follows a pattern used by many fraudulent and fake selling websites. Now, it also states that please be vigilant and take extra care before providing any payment information. So that's a big flag right there. What I would suggest, and is a really good idea, is to go over to the U.S. Commodity Futures and Trading Commission and read up all the information that they have about these binary option platforms. They have a lot of good information. There's a list of stuff on fraud, advisories, and industry filings, etc. And and as well as that, it would be a good idea for you to also check out the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission. See, a lot of these binary options platforms, they're located other than the United States, and their regulations, the regulatory uh, are located at the actual location of them. And so this particular one, it says it's located in the United States, but their real location is hidden. So they possibly could be based anywhere else in the world. And reason being, maybe it just sounds a little fishy. So if they're a legitimate type business and they're trying to, uh, be upfront with you, you'd think they wouldn't be hiding their location. Now, if you go over to this site here, it's called ClickSure Affiliate Account. This has a calendar where they launch a lot of these binary option platforms, and they haven't had a really good name. They've been, looked upon as launching a lot of unregistered businesses. So it's kind of sketchy, and it's marked on here on their calendar as the Millionaire bot being launched on on April 6th. So, okay, now getting back to the Millionaire bot, let's have a look over here on this page here. And they have a lot of video testimonials on their intro into their main site. And this is one of the people that are claiming that they're making a lot of money with their software. Now, if you quickly go over to this site here, it's called Fiverr.com. And now what Fiverr.com is a site where you can hire actors for a low price of $5 to do a testimonial for your business. Now, if you look really closely at this lady right here, she's an actor. Now, if we go back to the Millionaire Bot site, okay, and if you look really close, this is that very same person. And I'll just go back to the, oh, this ad keeps popping up. I'll go back over here to Fiverr again. If you look again, all right, now she looks really familiar, doesn't she? Now we'll go back to this page, and if you click, it's the same person. Now, it's pretty sketchy. I mean, for any company or business that's going to be promoting themselves, if they have to hire actors for their testimonials, that doesn't say a lot for the validity of their company. So, I would advise, to stay away from this company. It's just my take on that. Now, I was going to say, I have another option to binary options, and I understand trading online, it really is it's a risky deal. You're gambling your money is really what you're doing. With these softwares, when they automatically trade, they make these claims of 90% return on their trades. There's other things that are really raise some flags for me, and that's they immediately will offer you, when it comes time to deposit money into a brokerage account, they'll offer you these bonuses. And with those bonuses, they don't give you all the details, and you need to read the fine print when it comes to those bonuses, because what it comes down to is, and I've looked into it, they will give you a bonus upon depositing a certain amount of money, but once you start trading, you have to trade up to, say, for example, 90 days and trade up to $30,000 before you can even get your money back, or get your money that you've won on the trading. Now, if you really look at it and work out the math, you've got to win 5 out of 6 trades every day for 90 days in order to even qualify for the bonus and retrieving your funds. So, that's another big flag there in itself. So, okay. So, anyway, I wanted to mention that I'm involved in a business, and it's called realxyz.com. realxyzbiz.com. That's my link down here below the video, and you might want to consider that. I would suggest just clicking on it, checking it out. You'll go to my capture page where you enter an email address, and there's a little video of me that explains a little bit about it, and then it forwards you on to another video which explains everything about the business that I'm involved with. And it's a really reputable type business. All the testimonials in there are real people, and the income is real. And there is a disclaimer that the money is not typical, and so that just shows they're very honest about it. And it's a real business where you have to do the work in order to make some money. And it's all laid out for you. They offer training, etc. There's it's not just training. It's like the university of internet marketing, and you can work from home on your own time and make your own hours and build a residual income that can break you from that grind of that 9-to-5 thing. And it's the type of business that it has no limits to the income that you can make with it, which is really wonderful, and I'm really enjoying it myself. So I'd urge you to check that out, and yeah, thanks for watching my review.